Yeah, a little bit, thanks. Little fish with aioli sauce, some rice, and a big...
We're gonna go eat outside.
Okay.
Are we serving each other ourselves?
Also, Claire, could you grab the bench and take it out? Yeah. Let me help you, Mia. Here, because I know what's on it. These pieces aren't as cooked as these. So do you want a big piece like that?
Sure.
And rice?
Yes, please.
And do you want the macadamia nut with the mango?
Yes, please. What's that stuff in it, you said?
It's coconut with macadamia nut
Okay,
and
it says.
sour mango. Do you want to put this on your fish?
Made up of...
It's the lemon and egg yolks and... Whoa.
Or in parentheses, a good salad.
Oh my gosh, my fish and the mango and the...
It is really good.
That was a good recipe. Did you follow the recipe?
Well, for the aioli I did, but then I just came up with...